Dito, maraming salamat po.
Grabe ko
At dito rin sa
Ano po? Ayan, meron pa dito. Sa likod, meron din.
Dito sa silip tayo sa likod. Meron dito sa likod. Alright, Cebu. Please give it up for the Gen Z superstar, Bel Mariano.
Cebu, you're gonna dance with me, okay? Ayun ka ba? Ayun ka. Sasayaw kayo with me, okay? Pwede, wait lang, before po natin i-play yung song, pwede ba tayong tumawag ng kahit dalawa lang? Nasasayaw with me. Dalawa, willing ka bang sumayaw, ate? Okay, sige, tawagin natin sila. Mukhang mag-friends sila ate. Sige, sama mo na yung friend mo. Sige po. Ayan. Naku, mukhang sasayaw tayong lahat. Game ba kayo, Cebu? Parang mababa energy ni Cebu ngayon. Game ba kayo, Cebu? Yes, ito na po ang steps natin na. Alam niyo to. I need somebody with a human touch. Point forward. Hey, you. Always on the run. Gotta slow it down, baby. Gotta have some fun. Are you ready, Cebu? Are you gonna dance with me, Cebu? Okay, let's do this. Thank you guys. I love you all. Napanood niyo na po ba ang Tayo sa Wakas? Kasi yung iba hindi pa. Sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood, papanoorin niyo ba ang Tayo sa Wakas? Ayan. Pero guys, syempre, hindi tayo magwawakas kung wala siya. So let's call him on stage, of course! The one and only, Donnie Pangilinan!
Still get the bass. Instead of a line, it's 3 dots. Connected. I need you to respect. This is a figure out my brain. What it is, you gotta see it. How many days till I can see you again? Blowing kisses down, because of my mind. I'm keeping whatever was paid, I'm taking a shot. If I could get in, taking a pill, playing the whole night. Just one of your friends, she's in the skin, running like a hundred, closer and closer. You really got me on my mind. Gusto lang namin magpasalamat sa lahat ng bumili na ng ticket sa Tayo sa Wakas. Tinanong na Belinda, pero sino nanood na ng Tayo sa Wakas? Maraming salamat po. Siyempre, sa lahat ng nanood dito sa Cebu. Balita ko marami na ng sold out screenings dito. Pero kung may time po kayo, please, panoorin niyo po ang Tayo sa Wakas. Tawagin na natin para pwede tayong sumayaw. Please welcome back, Bel Mariano! Gusto mo dyan mauna para... Or dito ako sa taas?
Dito na lang.
O, doon ako sa taas. Tahan. Okay. Sige, play natin yung song. Sige tayo.
Hanggang may himig pa akong naiinig.
sa'kin, di ko magagawa, lumayo sa atin. Nais na malaman mo, wala kita mamahalin.
Hanggang saan, hanggang kailan, hanggang kailan kitang mahal, hanggang ang buhay ko'y ngunit na may kapal.
Iwan mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin.
Di ko magawang lumayo sa iyong piling, hanggang may pag-ibig, laging isisigaw, laging ikaw. Hanggang may pag-ibig, laging isisigaw, laging ikaw.
Okay, Cebu, gusto lang namin pasalamat ulit. At nakita namin marami kayong mga banners.
Thank you guys ha! Diyan po sa likod!
Nakikita namin ang lahat ng banners ninyo. I traveled alone from Bohol just to see you.
Wow!
Seryoso ba yan? Pahag naman, pahagod.
Thank you so much! Grabe ang tayo. Galing pa siyang Bohol.
Grabe yung Bohol. Gano'n malayo yun? Ano ba?
Successful heart surgery
Wow!
check!
Congratulations!
Wow! Picture daw. Pwede ba tayo
Are
picture
you
with her?
healed? Are you healed now? Wow, congratulations.
Congrats! Punta tayo doon.
What's your name? miles flown, 1 week return.
Wow!
Wow! Ilang week ba gusto mo?
Hindi ako marunong mag-bake.
Try mo. Ako rin eh. Pag nag-uwi ka pa, 2 months ko. Kumusta naman kayo dyan? Sa taas? Okay ba kayo?
Thank you guys!
Honestly,
Thank you po!
guys, since me and Belle started, you know, as our partnership with Donde, Cebu has been there for us since day one. So we just want to thank each and every single one of you. Kaya salamat din sa lahat ng support na binibigay nyo. Siyempre sa pelikula namin, tayo sa wakas. Today is officially our 4th day of showing. Happy 18th birthday sa'yo. Happy 18th
Happy
birthday.
birthday!
Alright guys, so this last song, everyone's gonna sing together, alright? Ano ba yan? Ano ba siya?
Minaabot lang daw siya doon. Annabelle, I made you something po. Ayan! Aw, thank
Ang
you
ganda
so
naman yan.
much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you guys so much.
Okay.
O tara, play na natin. Para kanta na tayo lahat.
Sabayan niyo po kami kung alam niyo to, Cebu.
Let's go Cebu! Sing with us!
Hey, you tell me what you
You just have to know. Sometimes I
Sometimes I hide, sometimes I'm scared of you. But all I really want is to hold you tight, treat you right, be with you day and night. Sometimes I run, sometimes I hide, sometimes I'm scared of you. But all I really want is just hang around and see. There's nowhere I'd rather be. You can let me trust in you. You're the
Maraming salamat sa
Sometimes I hide, sometimes I'm scared of you. But all I really want is to hold you tight, treat you right, be with you day and night. Sometimes I run, sometimes I hide, sometimes I'm scared of you. But all I really want is to hold you tight, treat you right, be with you day and night. Baby, all I need is time.
Let's grab a photo! Thank you guys, we love you!